Hello and welcome to today's Python hack series. Today what I want us to do, I want us to look for a particular element in this iterable or this sequence of immutable elements, because a tuple is just a series of elements which are immutable. And so basically we are initializing this variable tuple1 to these elements. So these are just random elements. There's nothing really unique about them. And so what I want to do, I want to find the position of any element. So I'll pick up any element from here, and then I want to find out its positions. And this is the syntax of this code. So first of all, we want to initialize a variable called position. So I'm going to wrap this code in this try except block. And so what essentially what this does, we are not doing exceptions handling in this class, in this tutorial, but basically we are just trying to handle any ugly printout so that users don't see something that's we don't want them to see. That's normally how this try and except block works. So we would like to initialize a variable called position, and then I'm gonna use I'll use the index method. So our variable is called tuple1. So I'll invoke the index method, which is an inbuilt method in Python. And so I need to pass in a few arguments. So I need to pass in the element that I want its index position. So I'd like to look for 3, for instance, and I'll put it in there. And then I'd like to search from the first index. So I'll probably start from the first index up to maybe say the 8th index. Okay, the 8th index position. So I'll grab, this is how I want to do that. And then what I want to do now, I just want to print out that I have found the element, the position. So we can say here that the position, the element is in position, or we can just say the position is something like this, and we just grab it nicely here. Position, of course we are grabbing this, we are using this variable to grab that particular element, what it contains. All right, so we also need now to write the except, the last part of the exception handling, and the error we would like to handle is a value error, because when we can't find the right range, if we can't find the right range, if we did not designate the right range, then it's going to throw to us a value error, and we want users to see a nicely printed out a message that please choose another range. We can say that please choose another range, something like that. Okay, and let's now check if our program is running. So if we check on the right side of the pane, the position is 7. So the element we are looking for, the position, we can say the position is 7. So the element we're looking for is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 3 is in position 7, as you can see. So our program spits out to us that the position is 7. Okay, and what if we have, let's look for maybe let's use some elements, not these ones. And for your information, this tuple can contain these elements. It can contain duplicates, so it's not really there are no restrictions as other data types. So we can say 14 there, maybe we can say 21 here, maybe 31 here, 41 here, and so forth and so on. Okay, and let's check now. Well, let's try and find this element 14. So the element 14, let's find out the position it is in. So the position is 4, so we can say please choose another range. Yeah, the position is 4. And if in case we didn't choose the correct range, we need we need to print out to the user that that range is not the correct one. So that's why we have this print out over here. So let's say, for instance, we are trying to look for 14 from the first index position, and so we can change these parameters over here. So if we run our program now, this works. The position is 1, and this is correct. I want the except block to kick in. So let's try to look for 23. Let's try to look let's search. This is our search criteria. So we are searching from this the element in this position to this element. Sorry, we are searching from let's say maybe the fourth element, the third element. Yes, let's search from the third element, and let's see what happens. So please choose another range. Why? Because the element we are looking for, which is 12, is in the first position, while our search criteria starts from the third position, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's how this works. I hope this has benefited you. If you keep on working with tuples, you'll find that they are very, very useful when you're building a program. So thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.